welcome to the unboxing of the Orient Electric Wind Pro Desk 60 table fan. There's an image of the table fan right over here, as you can see. This is a 400mm or 40 centimeter table fan. Let's quickly take a look what other information we can find. Over here it says that sweep is 40 centimeter or 400mm, which is the same as calling this a 400mm fan. And what else? This box contains one unit each of motor and neck assembly, bottom base, front guard, back guard and blades in knocked down condition. And do we have anything else? No, that's more or less it. I will open this and show you what's inside. Right on top we have this user manual for the Wind Pro Desk 60. Everything that you want to know is here. Installation and instruction manual actually. And yeah, it's an important document, you should not lose this. There's a lot of assembly parts in this box over here. So we'll take a look at each of them. First up we have the grill for the fan, table fan and the fan blades. These are made out of plastic. This is transparent as well. This comes with this blue color, looks pretty sleek in fact. I'll remove this plastic to give you a better look at the grill here. Yeah, there you go. This grill comes with these two layers as well. This is the stand on which the tripod will stand. This is the base basically on which this particular table fan stand will go on. You will have to screw this inside the stand. So the idea is this will go on a wall. As you can see, these comes with these wall mount brackets over here. So this can be as a base and you can mount it on a wall as well should you choose to. But it has to be screwed in like so. As you notice, there are two screws over here, so it has to be screwed in like so. I'm not going to do that right now because the purpose of this video, I don't really need to do that. And we'll notice one thing, that this comes with this swivel as well. So yeah, this is a pretty big fan, by the way. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Orient Electric Wind Pro Desk 60 table fan. Thank you for watching.